Okay, we're going to get our last one here. That's number 4. You're supposed to graph both of these inequalities on separate graphs. Just take your first one, and we're going to graph that. You're going to graph it a lot like you're graphing a line. It has a y-intercept of 2. And let's make my dot a little bit less there. Okay, it has a y-intercept of 2 and a slope of -1. And so we're going to go down 1, right 1, and you can put another point there. Down 1, right 1, down 1, right 1. Okay, and then you're going to draw a line and look closely at your inequality symbol. That one is greater than or equal to. When you have the or equal to part, you're going to make a solid line. So your line should go right through, and it's going to be solid like that. Now you need to decide which side is going to get shaded. If you're not sure, pick a point, any point. I like to pick 0, 0 because it's convenient and it's easy to plug in. It's easy to test. So y is 0, x is 0. Is 0 greater than or equal to 2? That is no. So since that's not true, you will not shade this direction. You're going to shade the other way because it gave you a false answer. So you're going to shade that direction. And that line is done. We're going to now graph the other one. It also has a y-intercept of 2, but it has a slope is different. It's got a slope of 1/5. So you're going to go up 1, right 5, and put a point there. Okay? So now you got 2 points. You're ready to draw your line. Look at your inequality symbol. It is just less than. If it's not less than or equal to, you're going to do dashed. So this one's going to be dashed line that goes through those points. Because it doesn't have the equals, the line underneath. It doesn't have that part. Okay. So when you decide which side gets shaded, pick a point not on the line. I like to pick the point 0, 0 because you can plug it in. Is 0 less than or equal to 1/5 of 0? That should be 0. Plus 2. 1/5 times 0 is 0, by the way. So 0 is less than 2. That is true, so we're going to shade that side of our line. And number 4 is done.